Okay guys, purpose of this video is new document portals. Uh, Basically, portals is my emotional juicy roles for help. In the Avengers movie, uh, when Captain America needed help, the Avengers came through portals, and you step through the portal, you can unlock. You do what you're supposed to do, and you get the help. The portal will unlock, and your help will come. So this document is my help. What I want to do today is go through the monthly tasks of how this thing works and just kind of break down the different pieces of it. So what I had before was site manager duties, and basically I'm going to take programming for instance. When the site manager performs programming, real like robotic, he's supposed to do a checkbox. I can't even check these boxes. Supposed to do a checkbox for all the tasks that you do. Move this. This is 5 minutes. This is 45 minutes. This is 115. So what you do is you're kind of just checking things off, and I don't like this because it's just kind of everywhere. I mean, it's organized, but you got a different box for each type of situation, and there's no metric on it. Like, what's the metric for getting checklists done? Right? It's obviously checking off all the boxes. Again, you got to print it, you got to laminate it. What if you got to make edits? Blah blah blah. With the portals document, it just eliminates all that and actually provides me a metric for what you're doing. So let's go into this. So I did the monthly, and I'm going to update this as I go through with yearly and then weekly, but I'm just doing monthly for the moment. So basically what you got going on is I took this document and I put it in here and made a metric to it. So when you scroll to the bottom, in order to get the programming done, it's literally 18 tasks that need to be done. I got 18 tasks that need to be completed out of 18. And once you get those 18 tasks done, your job is done. You got 18 tasks to do to knock it out. That right there is a big changing point because, again, I got a bunch of different check boxes here. Here, I kind of got the same concept, except I know it's 18 tasks. And if you did, if I delete this and I delete this, let's say that you didn't do these, right? I mean, I'll know and I can look, and basically it's just you did 14 out of 18. That's unacceptable. If you cannot do 18 tasks that are needed to get this job done, you don't need to be working for me or anybody. Or just more so, it's just inadequate. It's inefficient. Somebody's going to take the time to lay these things out. They got to be done. So I'm going to put these back. So, again, I'm looking for 100% out of this. Obviously, I blocked out January, but let's just go through this. So the first thing Nick's going to do when he does programming, literally, it's just a dead copy for this. Move all previous months where they need to be moved. There's the number 1, right? It's done. Input CrossFit programming in the Stormbear. You can click on the SOP. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. And you're just going to go through. I've inputted this, inputted Evo Fit in the Stormbreaker, edited Bootcamp programming, edited Top Dog programming. 1, 1, 1, 1. And when these tasks don't get done, there's obviously going to be a 0, there's going to be a 1, 0. So that's it, guys. Basically, it is a metric. If you want to program for Savoy Fitness, it's going to take you 18 steps to get that done. If you don't knock out these 18 steps, you can't work for me. It's not a good fit. This is what I'm asking for. And then there you go. There's your monthly task. There's the due date. So by the 22nd, when I pop in here, if I pop into the gym, I should see CrossFit flyers printed and hung by the 22nd. If I don't, obviously this task is not done. All these tasks can be checked. And it's up to, the head coach to use his autonomy and get these tasks done. That's how the monthly portals tab works. Again, portals. Do what you're supposed to do and the portal will open. The portal will unlock.